channel. This is Jem. Today I'm going to review something that I'm really excited to talk about, and it's actually one of my staples this quarantine. As in, sobrang napabilib ako dun sa product na to. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, eto na. Marami kasing nagtatanong sa akin kung bakit sobrang puti ng ipin ko. And paano ko siya na-maintain? And yun. So, this is my honest review for this White Republic Smart Teeth Whitening System. So, this is obviously a whitening kit. Actually, matagal ko na siyang ginamit before. As in, like the past, siguro mga 2 weeks ago pa, tapos na ako gumamit nitong whitening kit na to. Tapos, at first, I was honestly skeptical because there are a lot of ads ng White Republic. As in, meron ding mga ads ng ibang mga whitening kit, ganyan. Pero parang buti na lang na I decided to try this White Republic Smart Teeth Whitening System. And di ako nagsisi because talagang effective siya. But before I show you guys the before and after ng teeth ko, I'm going to show you guys kung ano yung laman ng box. So, it comes with this White Republic pouch. It's a blue pouch. Tapos, actually the reason why I think they gave this is because you can just put this inside the bag instead of the box. Kasi medyo bulky to. So, you can just put the pen, the activating light, and the pens. I mean, mali. Ulit-ulit ako. Yung pen, activating light, tsaka basically yun lang pala. Yun lang pala yung dadalhin ko. And then, but inside the box, hindi ko pa nasabi. Ito, actually natanggal ko na kasi yung loob. So, ito na lang yung nakalabas ng box. Pero ito this is what the first thing that you'll see inside the box. Medyo madumi na yung microwaves ko. Medyo yung marka. But anyway, this is the White Republic activating light. It comes with 3 connectors. So, you can connect this plug thing to this. May pang Samsung, may pang laptop, tapos mayroong pang iPhone. So, you just put this here. Connect mo lang. See? It connected. So, yun. I love how it can connect to a lot of devices. So, ayun. And then, when you open this, like, I like how it has also na may parang ganito para mabilis lang tanggalin. So, ito. This is what you see. This is the professional 3D teeth shade guide. This is the first thing that you use to check if anong shade yung teeth mo before you use the whitening kit. And then, this is the White Republic Smart Teeth Whitening System Manual. So, ganyan siya kahaba. And I like how very simple and very direct the instructions are. Like, number 1, brush your teeth, rinse mouth dry, and your mouth with water before using. Reminders, may reminder siya, may notes, shelf life. It's actually for 12 months, good for 1 year. Storage, avoid sunlight, and keep in cool and dry area. The gel pens can and should be kept in the refrigerator. So, dapat near ref yung pens. And then, yun, nandito rin yung ingredients ng pens. And then, yun. So, yun, nakalagay lang dito. May free refills. I love how na may pwedeng mag-free refill. And then, inside, there are 3 whitening pens. Etong tatlo. And then, this one is the desensitizing gel pen. So, what you'll first do nga is, yun, brush your teeth, rinse, and then mouthwash, whatever. And then, you apply this whitening pen na. This is the White Republic Teeth Whitening Pen. So, this one, you'll just see inside, it's like a literal na parang mukha siyang pen type na brush. Tapos, you just twist this. Eto, hindi ko na gagawin kasi baka lumabas pa yung product. But, yun. And then, what you do is, well, what I did is like this. Yung iangat ko lang yung konti, yung lips ko, tapos gaganon ko, pati yung medyo dito sa side, yung hindi makita sa salamin or whatever. Basta sinisingit ko talaga yan, make sure na double coat para mas effective yung pen. And then, eto na yung i-connect mo sa phone mo or sa laptop mo, whatever. Tapos, you just click this. There's like a blue light. Actually, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung sample. This one, you just connect it sa iPhone. And then, yun, na-connect ko na. Tapos, kagat. Tapos, eto na yung switch. Pero, it's blue. Ganon. So, yeah. And so far, my experience with it is super, super nice because talagang gumana siya eh. Pakita ko sa inyo yung before and after. So, the one on top is the before and then the one below is the after. I want to show you guys also right now kung ano yung itsura ko, not basic from the picture. So here, this is how my teeth looks like up close. Yun, so far, yun nga, super effective. And if you guys want to try it out, it honestly helps to boost confidence din. Kasi before, feeling ko hindi pa ganun ka-white yung ipin ko. So, buti na lang, I got to try this White Republic Smart Teeth Whitening System. Kasi sobrang big help talaga siya na mag-boost yung confidence ko. And honestly, like, I'm more confident now because my teeth are whiter than ever. So, yun. And, see? I'm so happy! So, you guys will get to purchase with the 400 off. If you guys want to buy, sa website nila, direct kayo bumili. Tapos, you just insert sa code upon checkout, JemmyWR. So, I'll insert the link down below. Tapos yun, JemmyWR lang yung ita-type nyo para 400 off. Because originally, the SRP of the whitening kit system of White Republic is 3,199 pesos. And syempre, 400 off, diba? You guys should check it out. And yun, if you guys want me to review more of other products na makeup, ganyan, or other things, clothes, ganyan, please comment down below na lang. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more updates. See you in the next one. Bye!